Hey guys, welcome to day 4 of my 100-day skincare challenge or journey, right? I don't know. So yesterday I talked about how peanut is the hidden trigger behind my back and chest acne. So today I want to walk you through the exact routine I use to clear it up and also share an important note of one of the products. Once I eliminated groundnuts from my diet, I keep my routine very simple but intentional. So I start using Kojie San soap. I'm going to put the picture on the screen. The soap is a kojic acid base and it is very good with clearing hyperpigmentation. It helps even out the skin. So I lather it gently on my skin. I leave it for 30 to 40 seconds before I rinse, and I use it 3 to 4 times weekly, mostly at night. But if I use it during the day, I use moisturizer with it. Then the next treatment I use alongside with it is Melanofree. I'm going to put the picture on the screen also. Melanofree contains hydroquinone and tretinoin. And also I'm going to put a picture of before and after of how my checks used to look like and how it is now. At night, I apply the Melanofree cream on the dark areas. So here is the thing. Melanofree is not the regular cream you use every day. It's a topical treatment that contains tretinoin and hydroquinone. If it is not used well or if you do not use it with proper recommendation, it can cause irritation or even dry your skin. And after you use Melanofree, you're advised to wash it 30 minutes after applying. It should be used night only and not to be more than 2 to 3 times weekly or two times weekly. And after then, you need to apply a moisturizer on it because hydroquinone can be drying and it can be very irritating. So you can also use it with sandwich method, which you apply moisturizer first, the Melanofree, then you put moisturizer on it. Or you can just layer the thin layer of Melanofree cream and put your moisturizer on it. And for me, I use this Vaseline booster to lock in my own moisture. This is the moisturizer that I use. So there's no fancy 10-step routine to this thing. All I use is this Kojie San soap, this Vaseline Aloe Vera and Melanofree to clear the chest acne and the back acne, and it's been so good. So if you're on the same journey as me, you can as well try this three simple products. It works really well, it was really good. And be careful when using. Don't overuse it, don't overdo it so as not to damage your skin. Let me know in the comment section what you are using or struggling with. Your story might help someone. Thank you, bye.